So today we are unboxing some products we got on Temu. I got three free items along with the items that I got. So
6.
see, it's today we are gonna do an unboxing. This is our first Temu purchase. Probably have seen that ad somewhere on YouTube or in Facebook. I was kind of curious because they had they give you 3 free items. And we got 3 items for free in this order. So it arrived today. It probably took like 2 weeks to arrive.
Can we open it?
Yes, you can. And be careful, be careful. You're probably going to cut something there that's important. The packaging is kind of, it's pretty rough, but so this is the first item. Let's open it. Okay. So just a heads up, these are all like school supplies. Let's see if they're good quality or if they're worth the purchase.
Book. Can you pull it? There's this one.
So the first item is this fraction, a fraction game wooden toys. I'll open it. Hold on. So let's open the first item, and this is the thing I got for free.
Ooh, is it a time?
Whoa, that's cool. So these are all magnetic items, as you can see. They're magnetic.
This is what I needed.
So these are. See, it sticks on the thing, and then you can put the magnets over here. That's really cool. It's good for teaching kids. So
like me,
I really like it. And then there is some circle fraction, so that one is really nice. She's opening right now. What is that, Naomi? What does it look like? What is that? Oh, this is electronic flashcard, which is very cool. So I got 2 of so this other one has 286 words and the other one has 224 words, and it comes with a charger. Give me that, Naomi. So this is the instruction, and you just insert the cards in there and it will say the words. So let's see, let's try it. So like number 6, you insert it.
Can I try it?
How do you insert this? I'm trying to. So let's turn it on. How do you turn this on?
Well, you need to charge it.
Oh, this is the turn on button.
Can I try that?
Okay, hold on. Let's see here.
6.
See, it says the word. That's really cool.
A. Apple.
So it has a charger. So this is the second item. And I got this for like, I think this is $10 or $12. Not sure, but it comes with a lot of flashcards. There's like 500 flashcards on this one. So this is the next unboxing. So this is our third item for like a kid's calendar for your schoolroom. Open it, Shallow. It's made of felt, so you can stick some items in it. Let's open it. It's really big. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's like a calendar for kids. Some items here that you can stick for like Monday, Tuesday, and there's the glue dots. So let's move on to the next one. So the third item is the sensory. It's a sensory bag, toys for little kids like toddlers.
Like me?
No, it's not. It's for toddlers. So it's toddlers busy board with. Okay, so you can open it. There's like some items that your kids can play with. There's like buckles and time and zippers for little kids, and then there's numbers.
That is so cool.
This is like
I want to have that.
They can stick like the eggs. So it's a sticky thing.
Wow.
And then this one is shapes that they can stick. Felt that they could like for example a triangle, they could stick it on the triangle. And then there's colors. And what else? And then we have the alphabet. So these are the alphabets, and the other pages like look, there's shoelace for little boys to figure out, and it's like similar to this. So this is a really nice toy for the kids. It's like 12 inches long. So the next item, this one I got for free. This is like a dish, a dryer thing. It's the biggest one they have, and I got this for free. So what else do we have? And Our last item is like, this is the second to the last item. This is an alphabet carpet for a schoolroom. As you can see, there you go. So you can see it's alphabet and it's ivory color. It's pretty big. It's good for like your front. Here, you could put like in your front door. Alphabet carpet. The last item is this multifunctional calendar clock. So let's open it. And this is our last item, but I'm really pleased with the quality of these items. They're pretty good quality. Look at this. This is made of wood, and as you can see, like if it's morning, your child could like put it on the right spot, and then they can mess with their time, and then like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, lever in here.
Can I try?
And then there's like if it's rainy, overcast, windy, and snowy day, and then this is the like months of the year. So it teaches them, and there's numbers over here that they can like, okay, they could count on numbers on the date. So there's until 31. So if today it's like July 27, and then today's Thursday, you can move it there. And then, well, today is kind of like a sunny day, and then it's afternoon. So this is super cool. And look at the back. So you can probably stick it somewhere on a table because it doesn't have any like attachments where you can hang it. But so far, guys, that's our. Oh, it actually comes with a stand, so you can actually stand it on a table. So that's all for today. That's our Temu purchase, and I'm pretty happy with everything that we got. It's a really good deal, and I got 3 items free. So maybe you can try it out too. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.
See you next time.